Hello everyone. Today I'd love to share with you a super simple yet dreamy tutorial. We're going to make starry flowers with pipe cleaners. All of the materials you'll need will be clearly listed on the screen, so you can easily follow along. For each petal, we'll need 2 pipe cleaners. Start by folding one pipe cleaner exactly in half. Take another pipe cleaner and fold it at the 10 centimeter mark. Place this folded pipe cleaner right in the center of the first one we folded. Make sure the shorter side is in the front and the longer side at the back. Use the longer end to wrap around once, securing the 2 pieces together. Now, measure about 3 centimeters from the middle to pipe cleaners. Twist them tightly together. Bend the long end upward and wrap it around once. Then twist it firmly together at the base. Flip the whole piece over. Bend the tail upward again and twist it around once more. Bring it back down and twist tightly at the base again. Trim away any extra pipe cleaner with diagonal pliers. Straighten the 2 tails downward. Use one tail to wrap around the base twice to secure everything. Cut off the extra long tails so the petal looks neat. Use pliers to pinch the wires tighter. Then pinch all the twisted areas carefully to smooth them down. Use a hair straightener to gently press the petal flat. Next, let's add some soft color. Dab a little eyeshadow or pastel powder along the petal edges. Brush it from top to bottom to create a natural gradient effect. Don't forget to color the backside of the petal too. With a lighter, carefully singe the fuzzy fibers on the edges. This helps the colors look cleaner and more vibrant. Now, fold the petal downward, hold the base, and bend the top gently upward to create a curved, natural petal shape. And here's how one finished petal will look. Using the same method, make a total of 6 petals. Once ready, we'll glue them onto a flower stem. First, glue 3 petals evenly spaced around the stem. Then glue the remaining 3 in between, layering them naturally. For the stamens, take a few pieces of floral filament and fold them in half. Trim off the excess wire, leaving just the stamen parts. Add a bit of hot glue to the center of the flower and secure the stamens right in place. Trim off the extra pipe cleaners, cutting them into slightly different lengths for a more natural look. Set this finished flower aside for now. Now, let's work on the flower buds. Take one pipe cleaner and fold it at the 5 centimeter mark. Measure another 2 centimeters along the length. Cross the ends and twist them together twice. Measure another section of the same length and twist at the bottom to secure. Using this same method, make 5 identical loops. Pull each loop outward and pinch the top into a pointed petal shape. Fold the petals together, crossing the tails and twisting tightly. Open up the bud and gently press it flat with a hair strip. Trim the tops of the petals into sharper points. Bend each petal slightly upward for shape. Add a small dab of hot glue to the top to secure. Trim off any extra fuzz. Brush a little eyeshadow or pastel color onto the top of each petal. Singe the edges lightly with a lighter to make the color pop. Trim off any extra tails. Next, take a green pipe cleaner and fold it at the 5 centimeter mark. Measure 1.5 centimeters along the length and twist twice. Repeat to create another loop of the same size. Twist the base twice to secure. Using this method, make 4 identical loops for 4 leaves. Cross the tails and twist tightly to hold. Trim off the shorter tail neatly. Pull each loop open and pinch the top to make a pointed leaf shape. Press the leaves flat with a hair straightener. Trim the tips into sharper points with scissors. Bend each leaf slightly upward to give them life. Add some glue to the center and attach the bud right in the center of the leaves. Wrap floral tape tightly around the base. Remember to stretch the floral tape a little before wrapping. It helps make it stick better. And here we have one completed little flower bud. Now, gather the flower and buds together. Use floral tape to wrap around the base of the main flower. After wrapping about 5 centimeters, place one bud onto the stem and continue wrapping. Keep wrapping down the stem until it's all covered. Curve the bud stems gently outward and bend the flowers slightly forward so it looks natural. And there you have it, a dreamy little starry flower made entirely with pipe cleaners. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial. See you again in the next tutorial.